$100 mic, $500 mic. We're gonna find out how much of a disparity, or difference in sound quality there is between these two mics. To begin this comparison, I'm gonna tell you guys what these two mics are, and then we go from there. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you guys about this $100 mic is that this is the Fine plug and play cardioid mic. So this mic costed me about $115, something around there, Canadian dollars, by the way. To me, to be honest with you, if you're a YouTuber, you're a streamer, it doesn't matter what you do as long as you make content, even podcasting. This thing, to me, honestly, is awesome. It's great enough. It works. It does the job. The next thing is the AT40 and 40 mic. A lot of people already know Audio-Technica. They make a lot of high quality mics, XLR mics, and this is an XLR mic. XLR mics are known to provide higher quality, audio, and also, take out noise, which is a big problem when it comes to, voiceovers, podcasts, YouTubing, whatever you're doing with, whatever mic you're using, making music, all that stuff. We're gonna test out these two mics. You're gonna be able to decide whichever one works best for whatever, you're gonna be using it for. So you know what, let's get right into that. For the first audio test, I've got the Fine K678 podcast mic connected to my MacBook right now, and I'm going to be testing out the sound by, screen recording and voice recording myself as I talk to you guys. So I'm gonna start the recording right now, and the sound quality should change, and then that way you can tell which one is which. So let's start with the Fine. I'm gonna hit record now. Okay, right now the mic should be switched. So we're testing out the Fine K678 plug and play mic. So this mic, basically you can control, like I said, you can control the input and the output just from the mic. It's a simple plug and play. You plug it using a USB into your mic, into your computer or into your PC, and then you control, with these two knobs, what you hear and what you input into the computer, what sound you give to the computer. So basically right now I'm increasing the volume, so I hope you guys can kind of hear that. I'm just increasing the volume of the mic by itself from the mic using its control knob. And I'm gonna put it back to where it was, kind of, at the end, minimum. And then this one is for what you're hearing, the mic knob. So that's what this is basically all about. Plug and play mic, cardioid mic, so it sounds fuller and warmer when you talk into it. So this is basically the plug and play, the $100 mic, and now we're gonna move on to the $500 mic, AT4040. So let's check that out. Okay, so now I've plugged in the AT40 and 40 $500 mic to my MacBook here. But to use this, you need an audio interface. So if you don't have an audio interface already, then you have to add that to the price. The $500 price tag that's already on this mic, you have to add that to it, because that's how you're gonna monitor, the audio signal that's going into the computer and out of the computer is using an interface. So these kinds of mics don't have, a control knob. You can just use to control the input gain and the output gain off the mic directly. So you need an interface for that. You basically connect it to that, and then you kind of control, you set your levels and all that stuff, and then use it for whatever you want to use it for. So let's test this out right away. Okay, so right now I've hit record, and I'm now screen recording and voice recording what I'm saying. So I hope you guys can hear the quality of, what this mic sounds like. If I was gonna bring up the volume and reduce the volume, you might have to do this on my audio interface. So right now I'm turning down, the amount of sound that we're getting out of the mic. So I hope you guys can kind of hear the difference, in the quality of both mics. So let me know down in the comment section if you would spend $500, or more on an XLR mic, or if you would just go for a regular plug and play mic like the Fine one over there. I would really like to know what you guys would go for. And if you're looking for a link to purchase any of these things, make sure to check down in the description below. I would appreciate it, because I do make a little bit of a commission off of it, but if you don't buy it off the link, that's all right as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now. And I will catch you guys in my next video. It's Midas, and I am out.